Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Floofies inspired panda. So let's get started. To draw this panda, we're going to first start by drawing its body. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to start to draw these small little curves that goes all the way across. So if you're not comfortable drawing these small curves, you can just make it smooth first with a pencil and then just go back in and add these little curves to make it look extra fluffy. So I'm just building my curve at the top right here. About that much. Now that it's pretty much even, I'm going to start to bring it down. So just small ones here and there. You can make it bigger, it doesn't matter. You just want to make it nice and fluffy. So I'm just going to go all the way around. So I'm just kind of aiming to draw my dumpling shape. Kind of like a little rice ball, if you will, or a little dumpling that I usually give to all my Drastic Cute characters. And I'm going to start to bring it in. So it's going to start to come in and it's going to be a little bit flatter towards the bottom. So back and forth. And about right there, we're going to start to bring it in. There, that's the approximate shape. So then from there, we're going to come up in this area right here and draw the ear. So once again, it's the same thing. Just little curves and just drawing a big curve that comes around. Have fun with this drawing. There's no right or wrong way. You just want it nice and fluffy. Okay, so then from there, we're just going to come across and do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to give myself a point so I know approximately where my other ear is. I'm going to start up, approximately that high, and I'm going to start to bring it back down to here. There. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this little panda to life. I'm going to come in a center area, so about right here, I'm just going to draw a little curve for the nose and bring it to kind of like drawing a little oval, and I'll shade that part in. And leave a little highlight. Then I'm going to come straight down the center with a line, and then I'm going to curve it out on both sides for the mouth. There. Okay, now to draw the patch on the eye. So I'm going to come to the side right here of this nose. So it's going to be a little bit higher. So I'm just going to say about right here I'll start. So I'm just going to get that curve in first, and then I'm just going to come around. So go all the way, just drawing an oval at a slant. There. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm just going to make sure I have this curve in first. So it's pretty much even on both sides. Okay, then now I can go up. About there. And aim towards the edge, just like the other side. And I'm going to start to bring it together. There. Okay, so we have the two eye patches in. Now let's come towards the bottom right here, next to the nose, and I'm going to draw a circle for the eye. So about right there, draw a circle. And same thing over here, so towards the bottom. There, and then let's make them Drastic Cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So we're going to do the same thing over here. So thank you for your love for my floofy drawing of my unicorn. And since you guys requested a panda, here it is. And hopefully you guys will love it just as much as my unicorn Floofies inspired unicorn. So there. So same thing over here. So now we have the eyes in. Let's come. That's pretty much it, right? Oh, except the feet. So let's give little feet right here. So we're going to center it. So about right here. And here, I'll just give my two curves in first, and then I'll bring it together towards the bottom. There. And you know what? I'm gonna give this Floofy a little heart right here. Forgot to do that one on my unicorn, but I'm gonna add it to this little panda right here. So now that we're done with the drawing, let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you love this cute little panda inspired by Floofies and you'll give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.